Hello there. So you want to know how you can manage EA2FA settings, enable, disable, or update your two-factor authentication. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and launch your EA application just like that. Once you've done that, simply on the top right, assuming that you've already logged into your account, click on your profile icon and click on settings. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page where you want to simply click on manage, and you're going to have a pop-up window right over here, which is going to be launched on your default browser. And now you want to simply go to security and privacy, and this is where you're going to have your two-factor authentication. Simply click on that. It's going to ask you to verify your identity. Simply click on send code. Go ahead and open your Gmail, and on your Gmail your code should be sent. So let me just refresh one more time. As you can see, it is right over here. Copy that code, paste it right here, click on submit, and as you can see, it's going to take me to two-factor authentication. I can turn it on here, turn it off here, or I could just update it. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.